Hey folks, today we got the PCE report and showed that the PCE index for July rose by 0.2% on a monthly basis and 2.6% for the year over year, which matches the economists' expectations. Now let's look into the core PCE index, which rose. This is the Fed's favorite inflation gauge, and it rose by 0.3% monthly and 2.9% from last year. This is the highest annual rate since February of 2025, and it's up slightly from June. Now, we're starting to see some pressure from the tariffs imposed by President Trump, with some businesses starting to pass these additional costs to consumer. Now, the good thing we got from the report is that the consumers are still spending money, with consumer spending rose 0.5% in July, which shows that people are still they still got the money and they're spending it. So how is that going to impact the Fed's decision on cutting interest rates? So remember that the Fed has a dual mandate, which is to keep maximum employment and stable prices. And with core PCE being at 2.9%, which is above the Fed's 2% target, and you would think that the Fed would stick to their wait and see approach with keeping the interest rates at the same level instead of easing. But if you listened to Chair Powell a few days ago when he was talking about the tariffs and the inflation, and he emphasized balancing inflation risks with labor market softening. And he was referring to the latest jobs report that we got, and showed that there is a weaker job growth. And if we get another weak jobs report, which is we're set to get another one next week, so if this happens, this might actually force the Fed to cut interest rates by 50 basis points instead of 25 basis points, which is what the market is expecting. Now, if this happens, which I doubt is going to happen, but if this happens, then this will signal to the market that the Fed is expecting a recession or probably stagflation coming at us pretty soon. So if this happens, the stocks will drop actually. So we have to keep an eye on the jobs report that is coming next week on September 5th. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.